What are the various ways and measures in which we can have customer centricity? First one is thoughtful targeting. So one of the most important aspects of customer centricity is collecting the feedback from the customer. In CRM, what are the concepts we have? We have customer loyalty, we have customer retention, customer acquisition, customer centricity. So all these concepts are in CRM. Now what is this CXM? Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session 3 of Unit 2, we will be having a discussion on customer centricity. Now let us understand what is the meaning of the word customer centricity. It is a business strategy that's based on putting your customers first and at the core of your business in order to provide a positive experience and build long-term relationships. So customer centricity relates to putting the customer first. See that he is in the center and based on him, you do all the activities of the business. It is the ability of people in an organization to understand the customer situations, perceptions and expectations. The customer should be at the center of all decisions related to delivering products, services and experiences to create customer satisfaction, loyalty and advocacy. So, if you direct all your activities as per the customer's taste and preferences, you are bound to have customer satisfaction. So, when you have customer satisfaction, automatically you will get customer loyalty and customer advocacy. Being customer-centric means anticipating a customer's wants, needs and communication preferences and then getting it right. Then, next importance of customer centricity. It should be ingrained in an organization in order to be recognized by the final decision maker, the customer. If customers aren't happy, they won't buy from you. So if the customers are not happy with your purchase, with the purchase they have made from your company, they will not come back for a repeat purchase. So challenges and best practices for becoming a customer-centric company. The first step is getting everyone on board, that is leadership, marketing, sales, service, support, finance, etc. So, in order to have a customer-centric company, we need the efforts of all these people. So, who are all they? The leadership, the top leadership, then marketing people, sales people, service people, support people, and also the finance people. Then, next importance of customer centricity. So it can be achieved. So how can we achieve customer centricity? So what are the various ways and measures in which we can have customer centricity? First one is thoughtful targeting. So what do we mean by thoughtful targeting? Figuring out who your most likely customers are and finding them on different platforms. So you have to figure out who your customers are and find them in the different platforms. Then second one is creating marketing material for the entire customer journey. So what is the customer journey? We have already seen how we will acquire the customer. So based on the customer journey, we have to just fabricate the marketing material. People need different sorts of information and will be hooked by different content at different parts of the journey. For example, in the awareness stage, we usually want their attention. So ads should be fun, interesting and shorter. So when you want to make the customers aware of your product, so you should see that whatever advertising you are doing, it should be fun, interesting and short. So whereas in the consideration phase, people need information, they want to compare products and possibly want to learn more. So when people are considering to buy your product, they need more information relating to the product so that they can compare the product with the other products. So having the right data at the start is one thing, but over time as you gather more data and connect it with the customer's profile, it guides future decisions and helps you build more personalized campaigns. So when you are having the data relating to the customer, you can gather all the information relating to the customer. And in this way, when you gather information, you will be having a more personalized campaign. Then the next importance of customer centricity is there is a caveat here though, and one marketers need to be mindful of. So what is the caveat here? The digital marketing world is going towards less identification, less data, and more privacy. The removal of third-party cookies from the most browsers or the EU's general data protection regulation. So the world is going towards less identification. So nowadays they want less of data and less identification. So properly targeting someone requires proper automation and optimization setups, which are not necessarily possible on a small budget or with small amounts of data. Then customer-centric practices help you achieve your vision. So what is the vision of your company? What is the mission of a company? So we have to first see that the entire organization knows what is the vision of the founder and what is the mission actually of the organization. So based on that, everything can be done. Then the next one is build a customer-centric culture. Ensure that every employee from the CEO to the frontline worker lives and breathes the customer. Build it into your mission, values, and vision. So every employee should know who a customer is, and in this way you can have your mission, values, and vision. Then next one is improve your data. So how do we improve our data in customer centricity? Improve the quality of your data and make it consistent and available to everyone in the organization. So if you should see that the data is available to everybody in the organization. Data is often underused and used incorrectly. If it is not a tangible asset, people in the organization won't understand how to interpret and use it properly. So data is a tangible asset and it should be used properly by all the employees whenever they need it. With AI, for example, data can be automatically connected to resolve identities and reveal insights that improve personalization and next best offer initiatives. But take heed of my caveat above. So here we should understand that whatever data you are collecting, they should be most useful to the employees of the organization. Then next one is capture customer feedback. It is imperative to really listen to what your customers want and need by getting their feedback, reading it and using it to help drive your business. Not every customer is always right. You will know when someone is nitpicking or worse, but it pays to listen to many customers who provide the same feedback verbally or through their behavior. So capture customer feedback. So one of the most important aspects of customer centricity is collecting the feedback from the customer. So when the customer gives his feedback, it will be the duty of the company to make a note of it and make the necessary corrections in their activities. So if you feel that the customer is always complaining, you should understand that if there are more number of complaints, it means something is really wrong with the product. So we have to pay heed to the customer. Then next one is think long term. A long-lasting relationship with a customer is more valuable than a single transaction. Create and nurture relationships with your customers to make them feel like more than just a number. Think long-term. So you should think it as a long-term relationship. The contact you provide them with, the tailor-made offers, and the knowledge you have of them and their preferences help you build long-term relationships which will result in loyalty and retention. So when you have a proper customer database, you can have a long-term relationship with the customer. So how do you have a long-term relationship? So you can give them a tailor-made offers. So tailor-made offers can be given to the customers. Then the knowledge you have, the preferences you have with them, so it will all help you in having a long-term relationship with the customer. And when there is a long-term relationship with the customer, you can be assured that the customer will be loyal to the company, and ultimately you can have customer retention. Repeat regular customers will bring you greater revenue. This is truly when customer centricity has an impact. Then next, a concept we have to study is customer experience management, that is the CXM. So we should understand the customer experience management and customer relationship management. So what is CXM? What is CRM? So CXM is an approach to relationships with customers that goes beyond just marketing tools and software, with the goal of achieving a digital transformation that truly puts customers at the center of the business. So CXM, or the customer experience management, is an approach to relationship with customers that goes beyond the marketing tools and software. So you are going one step ahead here. So what is the main aim of going one step ahead? So to see that you have the customer at the center of your business. A customer experience management mindset prioritizes the orchestration and personalization of the entire end-to-end customer experience and helps to do it at scale on any channel in real time. Then let us understand what is the difference between CRM and CXM. So CXM is often confused with CRM, Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, due to the similarity that they have in some basic functionality. See, most of the people, they confuse CXM with CRM. Why? Because both of them are concerned with the same function. While there is some overlap, CXM isn't a mere renaming of the traditional CRM. It takes the next step in managing the customer relationships. So CRM means, in CRM, what are the concepts we have? We have customer loyalty, we have customer retention, customer acquisition, customer centricity. So all these concepts are in CRM. Now what is this CXM? Where CRM mostly deals with optimizing the internal process of a business. It offers an even more customer-centric approach in several ways, with new technologies as well as processes, strategies, and customer-centric design. So CRM, it is an internal process of the company, whereas CXM, it develops further. So it goes further into having strategies, processes, and customer-centric design. Now, what is the difference here? The CXM differs from traditional CRM in the technology itself, with added benefits and capabilities for building customer relationships. So with the help of CXM, we will be able to build customer relationships, while CXMs gather data through manual or batch entry. A true CXM will enable a real-time flow of data to offer insights into customer preferences and behavior. So the CXM mindset also goes beyond a traditional CRM in its strategy and processes. A company who wants to become more customer-centric uses CXM to put processes in place to track, oversee, and orchestrate interactions and engagement with the customer. So CXM is a different type of a technology altogether. So it cannot be compared with the CRM, because the processes is far higher than the CRM. See, we have the different process here where it tracks, oversees, and orchestrates interaction and engagement with the customer. Then Next one is because CXM is both a set of technologies and set of processes and data doesn't get siloed, CXM allows you to deliver a true cross-channel customer experience. Now, let us understand what this CRM is. It provides quantitative insights relying on relatively impersonal data analysis and looking at customers in terms of statistics, data, and trends. It focuses on operational business improvements to drive profitability. It improves customer service via different integrations across the channels. Now, coming to the CXM, it provides qualitative insights. Here we can see that it is giving quantitative insights, but here it is giving qualitative insights, unifying relationship data across the full customer life cycle and prioritizing customer experiences. Then it focuses on customer engagement to drive profitability, anticipates and responds faster to customers' needs, and uses AI and applied CRM data for real-time impact on the customer experience. And effective customer experience management is more than just good optics or good PR. By centering your customers' experiences and making technology feel more human, you create win-win scenarios for you and your customers alike. So, with the help of the CXM, you will be able to create a win-win situation for the company and the customers as well. Then, next, CXM, the customer experience has become a critical differentiator for all kinds of businesses in the competitive, hyper-connected global marketplace. So, the customer experience has become a critical differentiator for all the people here. While the end result for a business might be seen in lead generation, conversions, and long-term brand loyalty, the customer also comes out a winner with rich, personalized experiences, increased satisfaction, and a rewarding relationship with the brand. So, with CRM, if you can have customer loyalty, customer retention, and customer appreciation, etc. In CXM, we can see that the customer also begins to win. So, how does he win? So, he will have a rich experience, personalized experience, and satisfaction of having a very good experience of shopping. Then, so it helps. So, a CXM helps to achieve a deeper understanding of the customer. It gives an enhanced view of the customer behavior and preferences across all the touch points, allows more detailed segments to provide the highly relevant personalized experiences that customers demand, and that drives increased conversions, drive loyalty, and then retention. It delivers personalized experiences and creates seamless customer journeys with advanced marketing automation software. Then, next one is CRM drives deeper, lasting relationship with customers through intelligent service, product recommendations, and loyalty incentives. Then it maintains a competitive edge. It improves operational performance to increase customer satisfaction and lower customer churn. It increases the win rate of offers and lowers the service cost. It measures the success of the initiative, gathers and interprets much larger volumes of data, allowing for more accurate visibility in the success of the engagement offers, and it helps to make more informed customer-centric business decisions. So with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.